over the ramp at 6A. Nice pace as they line up the ditch and sail over the center of that. Joe Meyer for the ride.
Randy Ward, Fernhill Flyby, Open Training, Part 2.
Meanwhile, Fernhill Flyby over the log stack at 14, sailing over the Mims Oxer at 15. William Ward, Fernhill Flyby, they're clear so far as they head down the hill toward the water complex. PS Grand Torino now over the triple log at 8. William Ward, Fernhill Flyby coming to the water, over the log to drop down into the pond, splash across, and jump the chevron. Grand Torino now over the log stack at 11. As William Ward, Fernhill Flyby, the 8-year-old Irish sport gelding owned by Martha Palermo, over the last and across